Hello everyone, welcome back to IELTS Learning Community, and our lesson today is still about 100 phrases and their synonyms in IELTS Listening Test. So if you haven't watched the video part 1 and part 2 about this topic, so I'm gonna let the links below the description box, okay? Yes, and same as usual, how are you? And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe this channel for upcoming lessons, okay? And like and share this video to support us as well. Alright, so now let's get started. So this is the third video in this series of videos, so I hope you like it, okay? And so let's get started. The first phrase, greater customer demand. This one has similar meaning with demand from customers kept growing. Okay, so you can see this is demand. Demand is like the people need something kind of stuff. And greater, it means like they're more and more, something like that. From customer kept growing, okay, and we have greater. So that way. Number 2, hand out a questionnaire. Give somebody a set of questions to answer. Alright. So normally, if you are students, so the teacher gonna hand out your questionnaire. They're gonna give you a set of questions, okay? So and whenever you hand in like that means you submit your exercise or your assignment, okay? Number 3, I'm finding math the most difficult. Okay, so when you find something and this is adjective and you realize it's difficult, okay, and it's math that I'm struggling with. When you're struggling with something, so it's supposed to be really difficult. It's not easy at all. So we need to try our best. We need to deal with it, okay? So in the recording, they may mention this, but in the answer sheet, they're gonna say, "Oh, I'm finding math the most difficult." Okay. Number 4, imaginative. Okay, this one had similar meaning with inventive. We have the verb like invent something, or we had the noun invention, okay? Imagine, this is a verb, right? Imagination is a noun, and imaginative is an adjective. It's like we think or we create something, I don't know, but we think about something not real, not in reality at the moment, okay? Okay, the next one, number 5, in nearby areas. In areas neighboring a place, okay? So we have area and area the same, okay? And nearby is quite close to some places, okay? And it is a meaning with neighboring. Neighboring is talking about something, some area around a place. So it's really close, huh? It's easy to get to your places. Number 6, include details such as participants, the course, and sequence. Alright, so that means specify things like who would be involved, the course, and the order that things could be done in. Okay, so we have detail, include details, like specify things. Specify is like identity, clearly, and definitely something, okay? So something like participants, the cause, and sequence, something like involve the cause, you see the cause and the cause, huh? And the other thing could be done like the other thing like the sequence or participants. Okay, so in the answer sheet they're gonna show you something like this, but in the recording they can paraphrase or they use synonyms like this. So you need to pay attention, okay, or you're gonna miss the answer. Number 7, increase cooperation between staff. This one has the similar meaning with get staff to work together more closely. So increase cooperation, that means like make people work together closely. Okay, that means like there are some activities or stuff like that gonna help you do better in a team and improve your teamwork skill. Okay. Number 8, increase profits and increase profitability. All right, it's quite easy to recognize, to know, right? Number 9, increase the use of biofuels, and an increase in biofuels use. So it's like biofuels is like some energy or this kind of stuff from biology. Okay, kind of energy, So yeah, the next one, internationally, worldwide. This like many countries. It's not in a country. Number 11, job and occupation or career is the same. Is at the same meaning. Okay. Well, the next one, number 12, keep details for the major issues and reserve details for the major issues. So we're gonna see that reserve and keep had the same meaning. Okay, keep something and you save it, you keep it properly, and reserve is like keep something still alive and we use it for the animals to make sure, like to prevent them from extinction. Yeah, something like that. Okay. 13, keep it brief. When we keep something brief, like you keep it short but still have main information. Okay, so it should be concise. Concise is like you give some information but it's really clear and easy to understand and have some key information in it. So keep it brief and it should be concise. Yeah. Number 14, lack of experience and insufficient experience. Lack of something is like not enough something, like lack of experience, like you have not enough experience in doing something, like in your job or in life or stuff like that. And insufficient had the same meaning with lack of, it's not enough experience. Okay. Number 15, link each problem to a theory which explains it. Link. And here maybe in the recording you may hear analyze each problem by connecting it with a theory. So connecting and link is had the same meaning. Alright, so something we try to connect different elements and stuff together. Alright, so we can you link or you connect, it's okay. Number 16, mend and focus on. Something you need to focus on is the most important one. Okay. Number 17, make money and increase profits. And we can earn money or we can make money, and we have more money, so we increase profits. Number 18, make people more aware of its values and publicize its values. Here, like make people more aware of something is like make people more and more people know about something. So here we have publicize. It's like let a lot and lots of people know something. So like we can see it's had the same meaning. I mean, it's kind of synonym. Number 19, massive and very large. Massive is a lot, is something really large, or to talk about something is big or something, or very large, stuff like that. Massive, we can say massive protest. It's famous in Hong Kong right now. If you update news on the internet, maybe Guardian or BBC News.com, you're gonna see lots of articles talking about the massive protests in Hong Kong. Okay, it's a very large. It's happened, and it's a lot of people take part in and stuff like that. And the last one for today, 20, number 20, need more explanation in the text, and need to add some comment in the text. Add some comment and need more explanation, like need more information, need more opinion or stuff like that, and add more comment. It's like need more explanation or need more information or explanation. Okay, so that's all about the lessons for today. So I hope you like it. You can access our website here, IELTSSharingCommunity.com, to see or to, if you like this PDF, it's gonna available there. Okay, and one more time, I hope you really like this video, and if you need any help or you have any questions, so just comment below this video and we're gonna answer it later. All right, and hope you have a nice day. Okay, bye.